Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A mini tropical oasis can be created in your own backyard with a few simple design elements. This video will walk you through the process of selecting plants, creating a relaxing atmosphere, and adding personal touches to make your own little slice of paradise. Showcase an inspiring image or video of a beautifully designed mini tropical oasis. Briefly introduce the video's topic, creating your own mini tropical oasis in your backyard. Emphasize the benefits of having a personal tropical oasis, like relaxation, stress relief, and connection to nature. Discuss essential tropical plants for a mini oasis, highlighting their visual appeal and resilience. Provide examples of low-maintenance plants that thrive in various climates, with specific names and care tips. Emphasize the importance of selecting plants based on available sunlight and space. Highlight the role of water features in creating a tranquil atmosphere, with examples like small fountains or water bowls. Emphasize the importance of incorporating natural elements like stones, bamboo, or driftwood for a natural aesthetic. Discuss the use of lighting to enhance the oasis ambience, recommending low-voltage LED lights and string lights. Encourage viewers to add personal touches to create a unique oasis. Provide examples of incorporating tropical-themed furniture, cushions, and decorative elements like lanterns or sculptures. Highlight the benefits of creating a space that reflects your own personal style and preferences. Recap the key points of the video and encourage viewers to get started on their own mini tropical oasis. Remind viewers to share their creations and engage with the video comments. Offer a call to action, suggesting viewers check out other helpful resources on creating backyard oases. A terraced patio and garden area, hyper-realistic in style. A modern, brick home forms the backdrop. The patio features gray stone steps and decking that lead down to a grassy area. Various raised garden beds, filled with vibrant orange, red, purple, and pink flowers and greenery, are positioned along the steps and on the patio. Gray planters of varying sizes are dispersed throughout the garden beds. A gray outdoor sectional sofa with orange throw pillows is placed on the upper patio level, facing the house. Two wicker chairs with tan cushions are on the patio, away from the seating area, next to a small side table. A modern, luxury home with a spacious outdoor living area. Exterior stone and dark gray concrete/metal accents. Large windows showcasing the home's interior, which seems warm and inviting. Outdoor patio features a fire pit, sectional seating furniture, and a kitchen area. Landscaping with lush green grass, bushes, and small trees. Ambient lighting highlighting the outdoor space, with warm lighting on the stonework and fire pit. The style is contemporary/modern, likely a suburban home. A modern, contemporary home with a spacious outdoor patio area. The house features a light gray concrete facade with dark gray metal roofing and large sliding glass doors that open to the deck. The deck is a light beige/tan stone or tile material. Outdoor furniture, including a gray sofa bed and a woven hanging chair, are placed on the patio. A dining area and living space are visible through the glass doors. Green plants, including a bonsai, are strategically placed on the patio and in the landscaping. The landscaping includes a mix of grasses, ground cover, and decorative pebbles. A modern home exterior with a patio and landscaped gardens. A brick home with a large covered patio featuring a dark gray/black metal railing and a light brown/tan wooden ceiling overhang. The patio has a stone-paved area and a set of stone steps leading down to a multi-tiered garden. The gardens feature vibrant flower beds, including a variety of reddish-orange flowers, other colorful plants, and greenery. Dark metal planter boxes are incorporated into the landscaping, showcasing different plantings. A meticulously landscaped patio with a pergola. Hyper-realistic outdoor space. Brown-orange/terracotta sectional sofa set and matching ottomans, dark gray metal frame, with woven wicker chairs, positioned on a gray slate-look composite deck, surrounded by vibrant plantings. Large green foliage plants, various colors of flowers, orange, red, purple, and lush greenery. A decorative stone sculpture. A dark gray pergola with a wooden slatted roof provides shade. A portion of a modern gray stone building is visible in the background. The scene is well lit, showcasing the patio's design aesthetic. A spacious, modern outdoor living area, featuring a large sectional sofa in light beige linen fabric with lots of throw pillows, arranged on a light gray rug on a wooden deck. The deck extends to the back of a contemporary home, with large black framed windows and gray stone walls. The space has a natural, garden setting with various shades of green in the landscaping, abundant purple flowers, and lush foliage. The lighting is natural, with dappled sunlight filtering through the trees. The overall style is mid-century modern meets minimalist, with a focus on clean lines and natural materials. A spacious, modern outdoor patio area connected to a light beige concrete house with large glass windows overlooking a lush, green garden. The patio is paved with a mosaic of light beige and gray stone tiles, which also form a shallow pool running along the lower level of the patio. The outdoor furniture consists of a light beige sectional sofa with terracotta-colored cushions, a low coffee table made of light brown wood, and several terracotta pots filled with various desert plants including cacti, succulents, and shrubs. A modern, minimalist home nestled in a lush wooded landscape. Large, dark gray/black windows and a stone facade with a dark brown wood roof are showcased. A sizable, dark gray/black rectangular swimming pool with a cascading waterfall feature flows into the pool deck.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.